Hello there and welcome to today's event. We are on what's called H. Now, if you want to know what H stands for, let me tell you. H stands for here. That's right, HERE.FM. It's completely free unless you want to pay for more, but I'm using the free version. It's also available on your iPhone and Android. So you can get the app by clicking over here. You can also download it on your computer, whether you're using a Windows or a Mac system. OS, you can use it. What can you do here? Well, you can do a lot of things. For example, you can create a profile and add your information. Not much because you're limited to 130 characters, or is it words, which isn't much for me anyways. You can notice here, add a background. There's my current background. Here is my profile. You can see with my image. And you can create a room, whether you do it down at the bottom right-hand side or at the top right-hand side. It's up to you. And what does it mean to create a room? Let's go in there and see what it means. We're going to do the top one, even though it's the same. And notice you're given these options. You can select a template, or you can start from a blank room. The blank room is right here. The templates are available here. You can also search for a template. And notice how exciting these templates are. Over here on the left, you'll see new popular tutorials, all these things that are available on the left, and you might want to check them out and see what's here. So take a look at these. Okay, they're all, and there are more if you scroll down, which we're going to do right now. We'll scroll down and notice there's also community created and phantom. So a lot of, there we go, a lot of templates. And of course, this takes time. If you're in a hurry, just click on start and you're ready to go. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to hit start so we can start. So here it is, start here. There's the plus. I love the colors, don't you? It's really amazing. Or you can go to surprise me. I love surprises. So let's get a surprise. All right, so this is Dr. Asawa's classroom, My Heroes Academia. So you might want to create this one, all right, by hitting create. If you don't like this one, it's kind of dark for me. I like rooms that are lit up. So we're going to choose another one. Let's go back here and take a look at another one that's not as dark. And then we can look at these images and decide which one suits us right now, because of course you're going to choose different ones depending on your mood, the way I am right now. So what kind of mood am I in? That's the question. I think this one. Yay. Yeah, Dr. Kawali. So we can give it a name. We're going to erase what's there, even though we know now who created the room. It's Kawaii's Hangout. And we can change the name. So let's call it, if we can, I think we can, yeah. Let's call it Dr. Nellie's room for now, okay. Custom link. Now notice over here, custom link, you can turn that on. Lock room, you can turn that on. I don't usually like to lock things, but who knows? That might become necessary. So here's an example, custom room. So we might want to call it, let's see, Dr. Nellie. There we go. And then we've got the URL, looking good. Lock room. All right, so next, don't forget to create, or you're going to have to start all over, and we don't want to do that, right? And hit create. There we go. Here it comes. We can copy the link and share it. In my case, I am going to continue to the room. I'm not going to share it right now because I'm just planning to share. by demonstrating how it's done, so you can create your own room and share it. So here I am. Let me fix my glasses there. Hello! All right, so notice I've already set everything up. So I have the right camera, in case you have more than one, the right audio, and if you haven't set it up properly, notice you can do it now. So all you need to do is open up. Notice I'm using Logitech, and I've got lots of options here, and with a camera I've got a few cameras. So let's hit join the room. Even though this is ours, we're still joining the room, right? Well, my mouth is open there because I stopped with the writing tools. So there we are. So we're in the room. What a lovely room. I love it. Okay, now notice what's available here again. We can copy the link. We can connect room to Discord. So I've got more friends. Well, I've got friends on Discord. I don't have any on FM yet. Here, FM. Invite people from Discord, or plus invite in any other way. So let's click on the top. Invite. Here you get the link and you can invite and then again connect. We're going to ignore that, turn that off. And notice we're in a window. This is like Go Brunch. I'm not sure I like the round cams or cams like this. I think I got used to Zoom. And anything that doesn't resemble Zoom, it used to be with IQ, but now it's Zoom, doesn't resemble Zoom is just a bit, I don't know, unusual, I would say, for me. All right, so here we are. Notice we're moving things up and down. Don't get dizzy. I'll show you everything about that by going into the tools. So if you want to move things around, there's the plus there at the top. Right hand side, and there's a minus, and then there's that gear that you can move around. So let's try the gear. The gear, notice when you click on it, return to center. So whenever you get lost, it's too big, okay, you're maximizing it, and it's huge, then you're minimizing it. But if you're here and you want to go back to the center, that'll always bring you back. All right, so we've got the return to center if you hover your mouse over it. So, and there's the room background and settings that you can change. That's what we got, the templates, if you decide that this is not for you, for your mood. Today, it is for mine. I like this. All right, but I'm going to put away my camera because I think I prefer, yeah, it kind of blends in with the pink on my profile image. All right, so what can we do here? Well, we can talk. That's the idea. The idea is to communicate, and you can see that the audio is going up and down. Right now it stopped because I was editing there, but you can see it going up and down. So you can invite people, and notice what else is available here. You can screen share. Very, very important. So this can be used as a screen sharing tool. Let me get another color because I think the red's not really showing up. What color should we take? Maybe this one. Let's try this one. Does this look any better? Yeah, I think so. All right. So we've got the screen sharing app over here. And then we've got a T for text. And then we can upload. We've got GIFs. We can add our YouTube videos with somebody else's. We can go through them if you add your handle, your YouTube handle. This is play games. We can take our photos, we can edit, we can change the color of the font, and we can do other things. We can also chat over here. And I don't think you can see that now because there's so many colors. Let's change it to white. So you can also chat over there at the bottom right-hand side. And again, there is the GIF and an image that you can share or a smiley. Now let's do all of that. But I think it's better if you do it. You're going to have a lot of fun. So let's start with a GIF. All right, so we can search for a GIF. My GIF is going to be good morning. Oh, not goof morning. Good morning. All right, it's always a good morning. It's always morning somewhere, right? So there's good morning. Oh, I moved it. Notice I'm moving it. So let's bring it back to the center. And again, good morning. And let's see what we have here. We can scroll down. And which one? They don't seem very clear, do they? Yeah, I don't know if I like that one. I don't know which one I like. Maybe I don't like anything. Oh, I like that one. Okay, good morning. Is that cute? I love it. There it is. Okay, so there. Click on it, and it's gone. I want it back. I like that. Good morning. Let's get it back. All right, so there it is. We're going to leave it there. And then we can get an image by going into our computer system. There we are. And then it's coming up. And then we can have an image. There it is. It's always at the bottom right. Okay, we're going to go into the middle here. And you can see the middle, but I'm going to show it to you anyways. So notice in the middle, GIF. Oh, that's white. Let's change the color again, because white's not a good color here. All right, so here we go. There's the GIF over here. And image. Oh, no, we can take our photos there or upload. Let's see what these are. It's so exciting, isn't it? Okay, there's a GIF. Okay, so again, good morning. Let's get the good morning that I like. Or maybe I'll find another one that's just as cute as this little dog. Now I'm going to put this back. Yeah, it doesn't stay long, as you noticed. It disappears after a while. And then let's go into upload files and images, upload image or file, or share web app. And notice the options here. You can also drag and drop. Going to upload an image, and I'll do this one again. Here it comes. There it is. All right. And take a photo. Yay, let's take a photo. Can we take a photo? Okay, it's getting ready, but my webcam's... Oh, it took a photo of the whole thing. All right, so let's upload the photo. Upload the photo that it took. There it is. There's the... All right, so now you can see the room, and you can share that, which is nice. I like that feature. I'm just wondering whether I can... Let's stop with that. If I can move this around, and I can, which is great, but this one stays. Oh, no, there we go. Now I think I did it twice. Let's see if I can change the angle. Yay, I can change the angle. Nice. Photo within a photo. Okay, great. I like it. All right, what else can we do in this lovely room? Let's go back to the center there, in case we lose the center. Next are the YouTube videos. So there are some here that you, oops, back to the center, that we can, let's click on it. I'm going to search for my videos, and youtube.com/@Nellie Deutsch. You're invited to join me. Okay, click on that. And then we get a list of videos here. Let's take this one. We'll add it to the playlist. And there we are. We can play it. Since 1987, believe it or not, started using technology in the classroom in the ESL, English Language Learning classroom. I was in charge of the computer labs in those days. That's how we did it, in computer labs. And I had 2 labs. I would run from one to the other. It's quite exciting. But I have always focused on... Okay, we're going to stop there. If you want to hear more about me, that was done in 2017. You were invited to do so on my YouTube channel. All right, so now we're going to try to move this around. Let's see how we do that. There, we can also minimize and maximize it. So I still want it here, so I'm just going to move it somewhere else. Did I lose anything? No, everything is still here. I wonder if I can move this as well, because before I couldn't. Now I can. There it is. Oh, I like that, buddy. All right, so you can decorate the room. This would be great for a blank template, because as you can see, there are lots of things here, and maybe there are too many things. Let's move the dog down here. Oh, that's a nice place for the good morning with our dog. All right, so what else? Yes, add drawing. We can draw. And we can change the color that we want to draw. There's the wheel. And I don't think there's any green here, so maybe we can do a combination of No, let's do the green, because I think, let's move this to this kind of green. Yeah, yeah, okay. And then we can start drawing. All right, so what do we want to draw? We want background color. Let's make it that color. And then we can draw with our green. I think I always do this. And do something interesting. Okay, and everything is open. You can also, of course, change the colors to another color. I don't know what color that would be, but you can. I think yellow might work. Okay, so we can add some yellow. All right. Have fun with this. All right, so undo, or if you want, you can also pin it. Pin it. If you like, move to the front, move to the back. Let's pin it somewhere. And you can also minimize it, maximize it. Okay, so notice, oops, I think I messed up there, but that's the idea. Okay, make it larger. Undo. Okay. Right, that's the drawing, and you can have a lot of fun with that until you get tired of it, and then you want to get rid of it, and then you don't know how, so you can just erase the whole thing. Erase. Just erase it. But let's put it somewhere else for now, because there, I think it's not bad. I wouldn't say very nice, but okay. The background is nice, that's for sure, because it's in contrast with everything else. All right, so that's the drawing. Okay, and I saw we can delete it, and I think there it seems to be gone, but it's still here. So I don't know what I deleted. I must have deleted something. Okay, so yeah, we deleted that crunch. I love that. Have you heard that? But it's great to hear that sound. All right, so what else is here? Okay, so take a photo. Yay, we took a photo before of the room as it was. Okay, screen share. We've done everything but add text. Now we need background to the text, and I wonder if there is background. Move to the front. No. So we're just going to add text. There's no color either. Oh, there is. Background color. I think this worked really well. Great. Okay, done. And now we can start writing, but I think we need to have another color. Let's see how this works. Okay, it's white. I want it to be bold, but I'm not sure if that's an option here. No, only move to the front. Oh, it is, actually. Lock, duplicate, delete. Okay, we're back here. All right, so we can move this up, and then we can see the options. Okay, you can also see me talking there, right? All right, not only at the top, but you can also see me over here, and I think that's important. It's important for us to realize that people are talking. So there we go. We can see that I'm talking. Yay. All right, so let's write something. What shall we write? Oh, we made it larger. Now we're going to have to go back to what we were doing, right? But this is not with this. This is with this screen share. I'm using ScreenPal. It used to be called Screencast-O-Matic. All right, so now we can write. Okay, so what are we going to write? Hello. Oh, we're not writing, are we? Let's see what else is available here. Okay. Hi and welcome to my room. There we go. All right. So we've got something. I wonder if we can change the layout here. Make it, here we go. We just pull it to make it smaller or larger, whatever we want. Okay, and now we can move it around. Okay. Oh, look, I just clicked on here and look what we have. We have font, we have size. I think we want to make it larger. And the color, we can also decide that we want it in the middle. So let's open it up and then we can see what it looks like. Hi and welcome to my room. Let's make, yeah, okay, that's it. Hi and welcome to my room. I just want to move it around there so it doesn't take away from anything. There's the image there. I don't know if we need that. There we go. Hi and welcome to my room. Even though I don't like all this blank space, I'm particular there. So let me make it perfect. We want things to be perfect, right? Well, oh, I messed it up. Okay, there we go. So now it's fine. Okay, not going to touch that again. Oh, we can lock, by the way. You can lock anything by going into this and just lock position. Okay? And you can also lock interaction if people start working on. Okay, you can, there. We should do this for all of them, right? Lock everything. Lock. I wonder what mirror is. Okay, you can also pin, move to the front. Amazing, isn't it? Download original, duplicate. Okay, mirror. Okay, mirror. Oh, look, it's mirrored. Isn't that funny? Let's go back here. We don't want any mirroring. Okay, mirror. But that's fun for kids or for anyone who wants to play. Not only kids. All right. That's everything. And one more thing, and that is the screen share, as I mentioned, at the bottom left-hand side. Share your screen. There we go. Now, what shall we share? Okay, let me share this with you. Okay, it's a PowerPoint presentation. And I'm going to share just the presenter view. All right, so now I can go through this presentation. If you don't know, here's a little bit about me. Okay, and this was a presentation that I gave a few days ago on how to create a web quest with ChatGPT and how to share. And we can go through this, a little bit about the web quest and so on if you want to know more about the agenda. There's the agenda. And you can go through this yourself and see what your web quest looks like after you finish it. And it should only take about 10 minutes. So now we're off. Let's go back to my room and we can stop sharing. Notice where the stop sharing is so we can go there. We don't have to look for it. So stop sharing and view tab over here. So let's, or we can go back. We can continue sharing, in fact, but go back. You know, this is a very simple sharing system. We can go back to our room, all right, but we're still screen sharing. So if we go somewhere else, like, let's see, where else can we go? We can go to this one, okay, but actually we're not screen sharing anymore. So I was wrong. Okay, so if you go to another one, you're actually stopping the screen sharing. Good to know. You can share a window, of course, with the entire screen. I'm sharing Chrome tab. And that's it. My next question is to you. Your browser doesn't have permission to share the screen. I don't know what happened here, but that's okay. We did it before. There we go. Okay, so let's stop. We do have permission, but we chose not to do it now. Then my next question is, can you record this? And the answer is no. You can leave the room. You cannot record. So if I go into the settings, I get room background and settings. And under settings, notice what's available. Room details, background, theme, members, chat, notifications, and help. You can also get this on your mobile or desktop. Nothing about recording. And that is unfortunate. But you can use a screen sharing app like ScreenPal, Camtasia, or others, whether free or not. Generally, the free ones are available for 15 minutes. And the others you can get for more. But that's it. So if you go into the room details, in case you're wondering, there's the room name, the URL that I decided to take. I can change it. Mic, camera, and then lock room, require ID, quiet mode, which is nice. Enable voice interactions. integrations, and we said Discord, but also add to Slack. And set start view, I can set that up for those who come into the room. Okay, start view so that they learn how to start. And that's it. So I can share, copy this and share it, of course, the room. Let's go back into room details because that's all we can do. And there's the chat, of course. You can have sound on when people come in. Chat background if you like. Okay, so these are different backgrounds for the chat. You can upload images, which is nice using Unsplash. Lovely, right? You can also change the color. In my case, I think I would like white. Done. Okay, but I don't see the chat has changed. So maybe I need to oh, there it is, white. I don't think that's a good idea. But let me add hello. Okay, it's the same. I made a spelling error here. Let me delete. I think that's what's nice, the fact that you can delete the chat. You can't do that on Zoom and some others. And once you chat, that's it. I don't know if you can delete, but you can here, which is nice. You can also add a GIF, as I said, and other things. Okay, so the hello is still there, so let me delete it so I don't have to see that. And these are things that I added. Also add a smiley, you know, the regular smileys. You can search for a smiley. And my smiley would be a headstand. Let's see if we have that. Headstand. Now, headstand. So nothing for that. And that's it, folks. That's all you can do. Let's get rid of the chat. There we are. That's the room. No recording. Hopefully they'll have a recording real soon, as well as a streaming. I know that they mentioned shorts, but I guess you can add shorts, but you can't create shorts. I'm looking for create. So recordings offer a chance for users to create and to share. Let me know what you think and enjoy.